Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make hot sauce with jalapeños.
Now that's a good looking pie.
If you don't stop, I'm going to get hurt. I'm just gonna wing it because it doesn't really matter.
Whoa! That's a normal umbrella? This is my umbrella.
To start, I'll cut the tops off 2 pounds of jalapeños, and then I'll cut them in half. And then I'll throw all of these in a wok. And then I'll put this on the stove. And then I'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And some water. I'll add more water later on, so altogether I probably add about a 1/4 cup. And then I'll put a lid on. Now just let that cook until all of the jalapeños are completely done. Then I'll take it back over to the prep table. Okay, so I'll blend these up while they're still hot. There we go. So now I'll add all the other ingredients. 1 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon mesquite smoke. This is optional, but it definitely gives it a better flavor. 1 tablespoon raw organic honey, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon white vinegar. And now we'll blend it up. Okay, now it's all done. Ah, smooth. Uh-oh. Making a mess here. Okay, now I just need to try it to make sure it's good. That is the best hot sauce I've ever tasted. Well, now it's all done. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. So now I'll okay, now I'll taste it just to make sure that it's good. Whoa, that is, whoop. Just all came out.